Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu narrated, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in this really scary hadith, the first man whose case will be decided on the day of judgment will be a man who died in the path of Allah. He shall be brought forth, and Allah will recount his blessings which He had bestowed upon him, and He will acknowledge them. Then Allah will ask, what did you do with him? He will reply, I fought for your sake until I died. Allah will say, you lie. You fought so that you might be called a brave warrior, and you were called so. Then a command will be given, and he will be dragged on his face and cast into Jahannam.